How we doing, YouTube? Stevie here. Ooh. I got my rigging all mucked up here while I was getting the video ready. How's everybody doing today? I did a video a little bit ago. I'm not sure if I'll upload this one today or tomorrow. Tuesday afternoon. We're doing a little fishing. Man, I keep mucking this thing up. There we go. There we go. It's hard to do this all at one time, I'll tell you what. I need to get me a lobber. I think that's what they call one of those mics that hook on your shirt. We are down at the Kankakee River and Highway 8 at the Kankakee Fish and Wildlife is where we are. I don't know, maybe I won't get in the way too much. You don't have to see me to see my face to hear me. Oh yeah, that works a lot better. I had that string. I threw this out a couple times to make sure it's going to work okay. And it did not work okay. I mean, that thing's it's not swimming right. Now, I'm not a pro fisherman by any stretch of the imagination, so don't think that this is going to be pro fishing tips, because it is not. This video, just a quick little video. I was doing some work, I got finished. I could have did a little bit more, but you know, it's going to be cold one of these days. So how about you just go do a little fishing? And I thought, you know, I've been wanting to do a video down here for a while. So today is the day. And I'm going to go through. There's something over there. There's another ditch that comes out. Maybe you can see it. Comes in over there. There's a ditch. And then it comes, it feeds this way, and there's a hole right there. There's mosquitoes flying around that camera. If that's what you see, those big bugs, that's what they are. And that's where them big walleyes and northern pike like to live, is right over there on that. And those entryways where those ditches are at. Especially if you get next to a pump. If I can get this thing over there. Oh boy, that was right in there. That was right in his house. 5 things that I like to do to calm yourself. I think there's 5. The first thing, these are in no order. The first thing is to put your hands on a horse. There is nothing more calming, and I think they've proven this scientifically. They did studies that if you can be close to a horse, get your hands on them, it is very, very calming. And I can tell you for a fact, it really works for me. That is for sure. The second thing is to get out in the woods. Somehow get out in the woods. Get out in nature, regardless of where you do it at. But get out in the woods, get out in nature. Get rid of these screens. The third thing is to get out hunting or fishing. Whatever that is for you. Even if you don't catch anything, it don't really matter. Just get out there and enjoy it. I could care less if I catch a fish or not. I actually almost prefer that I don't, to be honest with you. Because then I don't have to worry about cleaning it or fooling around with any of that stuff. And the other thing, I lost track of what my numbers were. The other thing is get around a campfire. Make some food over a fire. That's a good thing. Get you some hot dogs, or get you some burgers, or get you some brats, or get you some something. My ex-wife used to do this really cool thing. She had this, I don't know if it's called a recipe or not, but she would take aluminum foil and she would put whatever the meat was in there, potatoes and carrots and all kinds of stuff in there, and she'd make like a pouch. Seal it up good around the edges, you know, so it was good and tight, so the grease wouldn't fall out. And throw that right down in the fire. I forget how long it would be that she'd leave it in there before it was done. You have to just check and see. And oh my gosh, there's a whole meal right in one thing. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So get out and do that. A lot of disturbance right over there where I just threw that. One of two things has happened. Either there's a stick under the ground, I just threw my bait into a stick, or I think there must be some sticks or rocks or something under there. But anyway, oh wow, we're at 8:04. That's my suggestion for the week. Actually, it's not my suggestion for the week, it's my suggestion for always. Is get outside, get closer to nature, whether that's at your local park or whether that's at whatever that is. Get closer to God. God is everywhere, but He's a lot easier to see if you're in nature, I think. Anyway, we're about 9 minutes. So, and I already did one of these videos tonight about the debate, so I had to cleanse my palate, so to speak, about political stuff and get back into nature. So, God bless everybody from the Kankakee River. I hope everybody's doing good. And as always, God bless. And get outside and enjoy nature. That's what I'm going to do.